Have you noticed something? A few years ago, if you learned basic graphic design, simple website building, photo editing, or logo design, you could make money on Fiverr pretty easily. But today, AI can create logos in seconds. AI can build websites, AI can remove backgrounds, AI can write content, and every month these tools get better. So here's the question. If AI can do your service in 10 seconds, why would a client pay you? That's the Fiverr Trap. Thousands of people are rushing into Fiverr, learning skills that are becoming easier and cheaper every day. The competition gets bigger, prices go lower, and many freelancers wonder why they're not getting orders. But here's the interesting part. AI is not replacing everyone. It's mainly replacing people who offer easy-to-copy skills. The freelancers who are winning right now are doing something different. Instead of learning a single skill, they combine multiple skills together. For example, don't just learn graphic design. Learn graphic design plus branding plus marketing psychology. Don't just learn video editing. Learn video editing plus storytelling plus audience retention. Don't just learn AI tools. Learn how businesses actually make money using AI. Because clients don't pay for buttons, they pay for results. A business owner doesn't care how you made the thumbnail. They care if it gets more clicks. They don't care what software built the website. They care if it gets customers. And that's where humans still have a huge advantage. Creativity, strategy, understanding people, making decisions, solving unique problems. AI can generate. But it still struggles to truly understand business goals, emotions, and human behavior. So if you're starting today, don't chase the easiest skill. Chase the skill that helps companies make money, save time, or solve expensive problems. That's much harder for AI to replace. And here's the best part. The harder a skill is to replace, the more valuable you become, and the more clients are willing to pay. So before you spend months learning a skill for Fiverr, ask yourself one question. If AI becomes 10 times smarter next year, will this skill still be valuable? If the answer is yes, you're probably on the right path. Keep your eyes open. Value over noise. See you in the next one.